touch my hair. When it's the
Hey you guys, so it's Jazmine Rosa back at it again with another video. I know I look a mess right now, but I came to y'all to do another Blue Magic video. Y'all seem to really like the Blue Magic videos, and if y'all like them, of course I'm going to continue to give them to y'all. Disclaimer, ignore this nail. It broke yesterday when I was cleaning the kitchen, but I'm getting it done tomorrow because I just can't be walking around with no missing nail. But yeah, ignore that. And yeah, we're going to be reviewing the Blue Magic Indian Hemp grease. I just bought this last week. I'm so excited to use it. Y'all know I love Blue Magic, so yeah. And I'm going to be pairing it with my favorite leave-in cream by African Pride, the Moisture Miracle. So I washed my hair today. I plaited my hair into 4 braids just so it can stretch and air dry a little bit. Alright, we're going to start with this section first. I'm going to be twisting my hair. I need a trim. I feel like I say that in every video, but I'm for sure getting one July 23rd. It's a lot of fun stuff happening July 23rd. With my hair, I'm getting my hair dyed. I can't wait to show you guys that because I feel like it's gonna look really nice and it's gonna be really different. I haven't seen a lot of people with this. I haven't seen anyone like physically, like I see you physically. I haven't seen anyone with this hairstyle, well, this dye look, and I feel like it's super cute. I've seen it on the internet, but walking and passing, I've never seen it on anybody, and I feel like it's gonna be super cute on me because what? Yeah, I cannot wait. So July 23rd, I am getting a trim and I'm getting my hair dyed. And I was kind of skeptical. I was like, I don't want to get my hair dyed because it has grown like crazy. I finally have it to a length that I want it to be at, and now I'm about to put dye in it. But the lady, she was like, if you take really good care of your hair, I promise you have nothing to worry about. Of course, your curls are going to get a little looser due to you having a chemical in your hair. But she was like, if you deep condition regularly, moisturize your hair regularly, you'll be fine. And I'm like, I do that. But I did have some doubts again once I left the beauty shop. And I was like, oh, I was my mom, I'm going to go get my deposit back because I'm just scared. And she, you know, she talked to me. She was like, girl, it's going to be okay. You take good care of your hair. You know, just continue to do that. And, you know, fade, I said fade. Your hair is going to, you know, fade over time. And when it does, I do not plan on getting it re-dyed. This is just something fun. Like, it's just something fun. But right now, as you see, I'm just combing my hair out, starting from the end, working my way up to the root. My ends really don't look bad. For me to not have gotten a trim since last year, it looks good. And some of y'all might be like, why didn't you get a trim? Like, why are you waiting? Because every time I would get a trim, she would be like, oh, you don't need one. So I just stopped getting a trim. This is when my hair stopped. Real cute. But anyway, so I'm starting from the back. I'm not gonna do these too small. I feel like I say that every time because the process of doing them too small, it takes too long. And when taking down my hair, I feel like I get more tangles when it's, you know, smaller. So I'm going to comb this little section. I'm going to get the leave-in cream by African Pride. This is the coconut and Baobab. It's my favorite leave-in. I've been using this for probably about 3 to 4 years. I don't get a lot. Can y'all see that? Just rub it together. Don't forget the ends. Don't forget the root. Then I'm going to use the Blue Magic Indian Hemp. I'm so excited. A lot of y'all been in my comments. Y'all was like, use the Indian Hemp. I love that one. So here y'all go. I hope y'all are watching. So I don't get a lot of grease due to it being really thick. And a little goes a long way. Also, I'm putting it on my scalp. Yes, I do use grease on my scalp. Does it clog my pores, whatever? I don't think so because my hair's still growing. My hair, this is probably the longest my hair has ever been while natural. Fun fact, you know how a lot of people be like, my mama put a perm in my hair, that's why I won't grow. No. When I had a perm, my hair was at a nice length. It was probably right there. So yeah, this is probably the longest my hair has ever been. When twisting my hair, I get the root. Make sure it's tight, but not too tight that it feels like you're pulling your hair out. But you don't want it to look puffy. You want it to look very uniform. And when twisting my hair, I comb through it with my thumb if I feel any knots or tangles. Some of y'all might be like, where have you been? You always be leaving. I need to stop doing that because that's how you lose supporters by, leaving. But I don't leave because I just don't feel like doing it. I leave because I'm doing something. Like I work, and right now I'm doing an internship. So this summer has been a busy summer, a money making summer. I like this grease. It's really moisturizing. To be honest, people be asking me what's my favorite. Kind of like the castor oil. I feel like I was kind of biased in my Which Blue Magic is Best For You video because that was my first time using the castor oil one. This one is nice. I feel like this one is really moisturizing. This twist out is gonna be nice. Y'all, I braided my hair. And y'all be like, why you show me? Like I said, I be working busy, and after work I really don't feel like making a video, but today I had time, well tonight. And yeah, I'm gonna post a video of my hair when I took the braids out. It has grown so much and it has gotten so much thicker. If you really want to grow your hair out, I be telling people Blue Magic, get some Blue Magic. Blue Magic isn't good for you. Okay, well don't ask me. Don't ask me. If you don't say what I'm telling you ain't good and you see my hair has been growing. Well, all right then. I'm trying to keep heat off my hair. I feel like I'm doing pretty well actually. I used to put heat on my hair a lot when it comes to blow drying it because I ain't like working with wet hair. But through the years, I've learned how to do my hair. I feel like I'm too close. Am I too close to y'all? Let me back up. Y'all probably see all my dark spots, pimples. Well, I ain't really got no pimples on my chin. I do. Thanks to all of my new subscribers. I have gained some new subscribers, and I appreciate y'all because I haven't posted like in a month. So all my new subscribers, hey, my name is Jazmine. I'm a natural YouTuber, something like that. I would consider myself just I guess I would be a natural YouTuber child. I don't know. I do a lot of things on this channel, kind of. I don't know. I'll say I'm a natural YouTuber. But I'm not, I don't promote things based off of what the internet says. I do my own thing over here. Like you see, I use grease faithfully. And one thing, like, cause you can probably get a product overload if you use too much grease. But if you do, just detox your hair. Some people do it once a month. I probably haven't did it like in 2 or 3 months. But I think I'm gonna do it before I get my box braids. I ain't getting my box braids until the week before school starts. So August. This is really moisturizing. I love it. Did y'all see the BET Awards? I didn't. The BET Awards really hasn't caught my attention since I've been in high school. I'm a senior now in college. I heard a lot of controversy about Lil Nas X. I still haven't seen his performance. All I heard was he kissed the boy. Who cares? Like, what? I've heard Jazmine Sullivan's and Lennox performance. It sounded good. I liked it a lot. I want you. And do I'm just playing. No, I don't. Shout out to quarantine though. Kind of. Well, now shout out to quarantine. I ain't say shout out to COVID. Shout out to quarantine because I used to not want to wear twists out in public, but now I don't care. Now my hair has gone to a certain length where I'm just like, it look good. Cause I ain't really like my length, but I've taken so much care of my hair. I just love it. I just love it. I'm just so proud of me. Oh yeah, I'm on a water diet. It's basically where, like, you know how some people do like the water detox where all they drink is water. They don't even eat no food. See me, I can't go without food. I mean, I'm sure I could, but I just feel like that's kind of unhealthy too in a way. Because you're going like 30 days without food. I heard the longest you can go without food without, dying is 45 days. And 30 days is kind of close to 45 days, so child. Some people do 3 days without food, but no. What I'm doing is just 30 days, no sugar drink, just straight up water. Some people already do that. Shout out to you. But me, I'm a V8 juice fanatic. I love V8 juice. The mango pineapple. Oh my god, like V8 juice is so bomb. And it might not even be that bad. I don't really drink a lot of sugar, Coke, Sprite, what you call that drinks. I don't drink a lot of drinks. But when it comes to juice, lemonade, V8 juice, I love it. I'm that girl. So that was day one. And I enjoyed it. Like, you know how some people be like, I only drink 8 glasses of water a day, you'll be straight. I don't drink 8 of nothing a day. Like, I don't see how people do that. But then I've read that it depends on your body, on how much your body can store. Because if I drink too much of something, it feels like I'm a puke. So I don't drink that. Like, the only times I drink is probably in the morning, after breakfast, or during breakfast, lunch, or snack. I drink after I get done eating or when I feel dehydrated. And the only reason I feel dehydrated is if I'm not getting a lot of water. But yeah, I feel like I can do it. The person I'm doing it with, he was trying to challenge me. I'm like, you really think you can do it? I'm like, do you not think I can do it? Like, what's up? But nah, he was just being competitive. But I for sure think I can do it. But I know I can do it. Because it's water. But I'm excited. I was so glad. I feel like it's going to be easy. Some good things that can happen is, like, you can lose body fat. I'm really only trying to work on my stomach. I want it to be flat. People be like, oh, your stomach is... No. Like, I want it to be tight. Because I love me my crop tops in the summer. Yeah, I do. And it can also help your inside. Like, your skin, nails, hair. Water is good for you. In 30 days, I feel like that would be great. And I'm also cutting out some fried foods. Like, I'm not eating as much fried food. Like salads. I don't like I didn't like Chipotle. But I went Saturday. And I got some tacos. And baby, that was hitting. Them tacos was hitting. And my friend, he was telling me, he was like, next thing you need to try the bowl. So I'm trying to bowl next time. Probably tomorrow. So yeah, like, I'm trying to eat stuff like Chipotle, basically anything that's not fried. I love Tropical Smoothie Cafe. It's really good. Firehouse Sub. Zaxby Salad. They house salad. So yeah, just really taking care of my inside. That's important. That's enough about me. Now tell me a little bit about you in the comments. I'm just playing, y'all. Don't do that. I mean, y'all can if y'all want to, but I doubt that y'all want to. Like, what that's weird. Alright, you guys, so I'm done. I did the other half off camera, as y'all can see. And I love this combination. I feel like I say that with every Blue Magic product. I be like, I love this combination because it's good. Like, Blue Magic is good. It doesn't matter which one you get. This one was not on the thicker side, which I kind of like. It's real moisturized. And as y'all know, I always put my hair back in the ponytail because I just don't like it down like this. So this how it looks, small. That's why I just put it in a bun. Tucked it in. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I also do my edges, but I'm literally not going nowhere. It's 8 o'clock. I'm finna watch Netflix or something. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I do recommend you to get the Indian Hemp Blue Magic. I recommend y'all to get all the Blue Magics, but ain't no need to just storing them like that. But try one, get some more. I would prefer you to try with the original one, like the blue one, the blue Magic. I know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna post a picture right there. That's what I would prefer y'all to get. Yes, I love this combination, and my ends feel good. So So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to Jazmine TV. And I will see you in my next video.